Welcome back, everybody, to the train channel. We have a CSX train on track 2. Let's roll it and check it out. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 504. And we also, as Terry said before we got on camera, we think we have a mate. Huh?
504.
Yep. So we have a mate. There's a baby train. That was a baby train. Several on that train and this. Several on that train, Terry, is the CSX L356. That train originates in Erie, Pennsylvania and terminates to Buffalo, New York with a few service industries, all on this Thursday, June 26, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. It was pretty good. And I just been told before, I think we have a mate. Oh, they didn't come yet?
The other one's coming down, but the meat's gonna be up there now.
Yeah, the mate's gotta be there, but we'll find out what the 504 axles comes on with as soon as we get back on with the next train. We're gonna be getting off. Talk to you later.